Hey guys, for this video, we will color a cake. Cakes have been around since ancient times, with the earliest cakes dating back to ancient Egypt and possibly even earlier civilizations. The tradition of birthday cakes can be traced back to ancient Rome, where people would celebrate birthdays with cakes made of flour, nuts, yeast, and honey. Wedding cakes have been a symbol of fertility and prosperity since medieval times. Guests would bring small cakes and stack them, and the newlyweds would attempt to kiss over the top without knocking them over. This type of cake originated in North America in the 19th century and is known for its light and airy texture, achieved by using whipped egg whites without any fat like butter or oil. Originally, the red color in red velvet cake came from a chemical reaction between cocoa and vinegar. Nowadays, it's often achieved with food coloring. The largest cake ever baked weighed over 57 pounds, 850 per kg. It was created in 1989 in Fort Payne, Alabama, USA. We're almost done. We can do this. If you like this video, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to support our channel. We're almost done. We can do this.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
And we're done. Well, thank you for watching.